What's up, guys? Welcome back. And then we got Parker and Single T back at it. Yeah, today we're gonna install the stripes. As you saw last night, we had a little bit of a breakdown, which was sick, but we back. So yeah, we gotta move the spaceships, aka the F and the Lightning, because we gotta put this in the garage because it's hot. Can't have my boys getting sunburnt, man. Alright, sick. Let's get this done.
Hi, how can I help you?
Who is it?
The O2 sensor's ready.
Oh!
Are you freaking kidding me? Was that the auto parts store?
Yeah. Yeah, O2 sensors ready at AutoZone.
Wait. So this guy answered the phone because Parker was scared. He didn't know the number. Single T's like, welcome to the sperm bank where you sperm it and we bank it or something.
Welcome to Dave's sperm bank where you spank it and we bank it. How can I help you?
What did they say? What did they say?
Hello? Hello?
Will Chuckles in the background. Your O2 sensor's ready. We're just calling to let you know we're open till 10 o'clock.
You're like, oh, okay.
Picked up whatever. Alright. My bad.
Oh, man. So there we go. Injectors look good. You know why I think the injector came out last night? So I had to take off the sender last night, or yesterday afternoon, so I twisted it to the left, which I think kind of might have like loosened it back there.
Maybe.
So that's probably it. Otherwise it was fine. But I need the plastic thing that goes right up here where this one bolts out.
Dude, nice.
It's still holding, dude.
Yeah, dude, it held for a long time. We're not here to talk about my Jimmy rigged projects, alright? So we're here.
Everything is Jimmy rigged, bro.
We're here to finish the stripes to make it look like an RST again. And Parker keeps trying to get me to take the billet grills off so we can see the intercooler.
Yes, you don't need them.
Well, if you do it, you can do it. I'm not the one to be doing that labor. But yeah, let's finish this. Alright guys, so we laid down this thing called knifeless tape, which is this green thing. And basically this cuts the vinyl for you. Makes it nice and easy. Parker got this idea where he wants to put a decal underneath that says Racespec. And so it'll look sick, so we'll try it out. He's being lazy and doesn't want to do the outside stripes. We will see who wins on that one. And we'll go from there. So stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, thanks to Parker's help, we have laid down all of the tape. Down here, cleaned up with some alcohol, and now we're just going to lay down the vinyl and we'll have one stripe done, so that's chill.
Yeah, got me dreaming, leaning far. Got me dreaming, seeing stars. Got her feeling off them bars. I'm a Nova, can't no talk. Look how far we came, that's Mars. Bitch, you know I'm off this planet, so the fakes can't understand it. They can't understand it. Rolling in a caddy, but you know I never lag. And she saying daddy when I hit it from the back. Y'all be sipping brandy while I'm pouring us a ad. Might not understand me, but you better watch your act. Yeah, it drip when I walk with the sauce. Watch your lip when you talk. Bullets hit, grab the chalk. What's the prop? Why's my pain never soft? I'm insane, hold us all. Watch me ball, took a fall. Now I'm standing tall, fuck the law. And she drinking alcohol. She don't fuck with Adderall. After all, it's 2K18 for the drama. I swear that I'm running the commas. Keep my flow high like a sauna. I told that bitch hit me tomorrow. I feel like I'm hitting the lotto. You know that we smoking gelato. She wasted her life on that bottle. She wasted her life on that bottle, damn. Got me dreaming, leaning far. Got me dreaming, seeing stars. Got her feeling off them bars. I'm a Nova, can't no talk. Look how far we came, that's Mars. I'm a Nova, can't no talk.
Alright guys, so we have one stripe done.
Where's the knife?
As you saw, do I have the knife? I might have the knife. I'm like a knife thief sometimes. No, I don't have it.
I don't have it.
Awkward.
Do I have it? Maybe.
I have a knife.
It should be car parts.
Alright guys, so oh my god, we're blurry.
Don't say alright, guys.
We're blurry. Fine.
Back.
Alright, we back. So
Much better.
check it out. As you saw, the knifeless tape works really cool, or really well. Just look at this, man. Fresh stripe. They were so bad before.
Yeah, they were pretty bad.
But yeah, Parker's laying down the other side. And yeah, we'll be good Gucci after that. Probably, we'll see if we have enough tape to do the rear ones. If not, whatever. So Parker's gonna go back to Utah, come back in a couple weeks. We're gonna do that windshield piece. Cause like having fresh decals really makes these trucks look better. It's like, it doesn't look as beat up, even though it kind of is. That's why it keeps breaking on me.
Into church Sunday morning was Saturday night, so I posted on my story.
That's funny, dude. Freaking. That guy's pretty much a done deal. So when you take the knifeless tape off, you gotta relay the vinyl kind of with a squeegee, make it look nice and clean.
If you don't, you try and wash it, it just destroys it.
Yeah, like basically
or anything. If you drive with it, you don't touch up the corners, just kill it.
Yeah, it'll like peel up. Like the dirt will get under there and it'll peel up and all your work is gone. But yeah, you guys like the shirt? We have a RCF one, a Lightning one, and a ZR one underneath the video. We will have Chevy ones.
We don't know why we have a ZR11.
We literally don't know. My designer just ended up giving it to me. So I'm like, I guess. If you like ZR1s, it's there. But yeah, pretty dope quality. And yeah, I'm gonna get an RST one made, and probably some other Chevy stuff made, right? But you know, first we need to sell things so we have money to pay our designer. So if you guys would like to support, that'd be kind of sick, because I'm broke. But yeah, so check it out. Pretty dope. We're almost done with this. And we'll see if we have enough tape to do the rears. So yeah. We'll keep you guys updated, so keep watching.
Hey, so single T behind the camera. We are getting ready to start.
No, we're not getting ready. We are.
We are peeling off the rear so we can get ready to wrap this, get it back to prime condition.
I neglected this so bad.
Yeah, it's horrible.
Well, no, it was sick when I sold
that?
it. Then it was gone for 3 years. It's a bike, dude.
A little sidetrack excursion, I'm guessing.
What you got there, Parker? What'd you do?
I got a, gamer fuel, and then I clogged your bathroom.
Yeah, so Parker used the restroom. He's gonna come help me do the rear stripes. And what does he do? He,
Dude, okay, who doesn't have a plunger in their house in the first place?
Well, I don't take shits that fat to begin with.
Bro, you don't eat enough.
True. I'm trying to lose weight.
That's not how you lose it.
Yeah, you do.
Not permanently.
Check it out.
This is how you lose weight. You plunge it, take it away. Good.
You skinny fat, dude. Shut up.
I dropped probably 15 pounds, bro.
You're gonna get it back next meal.
Don't worry about it.
But yeah, check it out. We did one rear stripe. Pretty nice and glossy. And we have one left, so pretty dope, pretty dope. Got single T out here with a fresh Red Bull. I got a complimentary bang somewhere down there, so that's pretty chill. But yeah, we'll do the next stripe now. Still dreaming about your truck running, dude?
Get out of
here. Sick. So we finished the other stripe. Pretty sick. We got very helpful single team. We got Boy Dreamer out there. Had a broken truck for about 2 years now.
I still have a broken truck.
Right, you still have it, guys. Sorry about that. 5.3 should be running. This is the 80mm turbo. Guys, should he get the little John turbo cam, or should he get Cletus McFarlane's bald eagle cam? I think the answer is clear here. One's more America than the other. I kind of want the bald eagle cam, dude, but I'd have to get the NA one because that one's a 111 LSA, which is more choppy, which is sicker. And then the 114 plus 5 probably won't chop as hard. Chop is life, dude.
You're right. Just drop the RPM.
Yeah, for sure, dude. Man, I've been thinking about camming the truck, but we're a bit low on funds, so we might have to sell that thing. But you know what? Sacrifices, man. Sacrifices. Got a T56 on this, a cam. Y'all keep like bothering me to lower it, so maybe I'll lower it. I don't know. But yeah, stripes looking Gucci. Damn. Hope you guys like that. Woo! I hear something broken pulling up. What could it be? Oh look, it's Jay. I haven't seen baby Jay in a while. Mr. Affiliated Truckin'. Going hardo as always. Sick. You miss him? Yeah, kind of. Damn, fresh shades, bro. Just single cabin out here. Just need Parker's truck once it runs. Have him bring it out here. Say what's up. Everybody laughs. You just know how broken it is. Here we go. your camera already, dude? Do it.
No.
Can you finish that? Alright, cool. Well, that's gonna end the video, guys. Hope you guys like the stripes. We're gonna do that windshield decal next because it's that middle part's supposed to be red. Definitely not. Some kills these trucks, man. But yeah, looks a lot better. Figured I'd remove the oxidated stripes and get them updated a little bit. So yeah, get your merch down below. Make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and look at our other stuff. So I'll see you guys next time. Well, I was fully zoomed in. Wow, okay. Bye, guys.